So the stream should be starting soon, and it's kind of yeah, the stream has started. So welcome guys, welcome to the YouTube viewers who watch this live stream later. Welcome. So yeah, like it's weird to like just start speaking at a time of a day, like every day at 8 o'clock. It's just a little bit weird. So like I have to first get into my groove, like open up my voice a little bit, and first again I was waiting from 7:30 for a stream. Quarter 45, welcome man. Lakshya, welcome. Hello brother. Rohiseni, I'm great. How are you? Dhruv, hello, welcome, welcome. I don't think Dhruv you got first because Quarter 45 got first. I see his comment is first, but yeah, Dhruv, welcome. Ahmed, hi, hey man, welcome. So yeah, let's just focus on what we'll be building today. So we'll be building the comment section today, and then we'll go on to payments if there is time remaining. But I want to complete at least the comment section today, or the discussion area. So I've made a couple of changes. So we'll first discuss the changes that I see mine first, bro. I guess it's like I don't know. Yeah, you see your first because when you come late, you don't see the previous comments that anybody has made, Dhruv. So that's why you might think that yours was the first one, but I think Quarter 45 got there first. Wait, I'll actually show you. Wait. So you can see over here, right? Quarter 45 first again, and actually you are the fourth one. I'm so sorry. But good effort. I think your name is pronounced as Pierre. Hi, I'm from Peru. Welcome, man. Welcome. What time is it in Peru right now? I wonder. In where I'm streaming from in India, it's 8 p.m. like almost night. Amok, hello man, do you speak Hindi? Yes, I do. Spider artworks. So I made a website using Django, but I want to add your videos to it. Add them, there'll be, yeah, you can't really add my videos, man. Sorry about that. Rohit, how much time will it take to complete it now? I don't know, man. Maybe like a week more, because we have to do a couple of more things. IT Tamil, welcome. Vanakam Nanba, I don't know what that means, but welcome. I was in South. I have been in South for like 6 years now, but only like what I know is like Akka, Anna. That's pretty much it. So I'll tell you a funny story. So when I was in VIT, right, my college, my first day of college, I went to get some coffee, right? And over there, I was first year, right? So I went there and I went to the like lady who was selling the coffee, like some Nescafe shop. And I went there and I was like, hey, can you I was like, auntie, can you give me some coffee? And she like scolded me. She was like, do I look like auntie to you? Do I look like auntie to you? Call me sister, Akka. I was like, oh, Akka, sorry. So from there, like, I was like, Akka, Anna, done. Quarter 45, see you soon, bro. Challenge accepted. Where it's 9:30 a.m. That's crazy, man. But welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining so early. Aryan, namaste, namaskar. Lakshya, what is your favorite language other than Python? English? I'm kidding. Favorite language other than Python? I'll probably say like Java. Yeah, because I've created a lot of Android apps using Java, so I like Java. Not in the term, Java is also pretty easy, to be honest. Once you learn one programming language, like all the programming languages are pretty easy to learn, Lakshya, to be very honest. So I guess guys, let's get started because we already have 15 viewers. You should try Sublime Text Editor. I don't think so. It's just like I have to do too much customization to it. I've already like settled down with PyCharm, and a lot of professionals use PyCharm, so I'll just go with that. And it's really helpful if you know. Do you know reverse Android engineering? Yeah, I know. Dhruv. So anyways, so let's actually get started. I'll tell you guys about the changes and stuff. Do you know the small files and all? Yeah, I know, man. That's like easy stuff. The main stuff is like when you go into like Android code and try to hack it, then it's like a little bit more fun. Yeah, but although accessing those files is like pretty easy. So yeah, some of the changes that I have made over here is that I have, first of all, I have improved the look of our this accordion. So what I've done is that I've integrated a list inside these sections of accordion. So how I have done that is that if we go to our course_details page, which is basically the HTML code for this page. So what I've done over here is if we go and look at our like section area, you can see this is a section area, and inside this section area here we are showing our lessons and stuff, right? So yeah, what I've done is that I'm using this a tag Yeah, and this a tag is basically a list group item. So this is basically like basic bootstrap stuff. Like when you add this of list group item, then it automatically goes to a list, and that's pretty much it. And because I also wanted to remove the borders, so you basically like copy paste this code from bootstrap, and you first create a list group, and then you add these a tags inside it with list group item. And because I wanted to remove borders, it also had this class of list group flush, so I could like make it without borders, and it looks pretty sick. So now if we go on like some kind of an item, it actually shows it in gray color, so we know which item we are talking about, right? So now, for example, another change I have made is that when you click on installation, this opens up, and not all these sections open up, only the first sections open up, right? And it also shows it in blue colors, right? So how I have done that is just to kind of give you an idea, because this is just user interface part, which I don't focus on stream. So yeah, how I've done that is that yeah, so whenever you want to show your current video, so for example, if I click on title logo color, it will go to blue color over here. So how do I do that is that whenever you want to show something in blue color, you basically add this this active where is it, this active class to your list group item action whenever you want to show it in blue color. And what I've done over here is that I've checked if the current lesson, that is for example the current lesson title logo color, if this current lesson, right, if this current lesson is equal to the lesson that is being looped over here, like this is the third loop, right? So if the current lesson is being looped and it's equal to this for loop that currently, like the current iteration of this for loop, only then show this active class over here, only then add this active class over here, otherwise don't add anything. And that's pretty much it. Another thing I have done is that when you click on so for example like you click over here, right, so only this so for example, if we go back, let me just go back to our courses again and click on learn more. And now if we click on adding an image, previously all these sections used to open up, right? So previously all these sections used to open up. Now you can see that only the second section that contains this video only opens up. So how did I do that? So what I've done, it's basically the same like concepts that we use for the active one. Basically in where is our accordion, where is our section? So this is the section. So whenever you want to show like a section, then you add the show class. This is a bootstrap stuff. You add this show after collapse, right? And what I've done is that if current section dot section equals to section, so if the current lessons, so adding an image section that is graphics and user input control is equal to the section that we are currently looping in, only then we are showing that section. Yeah. When you said there are 15 viewers, 8 people left, no worries, man. Like it doesn't really matter. Like I still have to stream and we are still building the website. It doesn't really matter. Please make a tutorial on Smalley files and stuff. I mean, like it's not related to Python, so I don't know if I need to do that. So after this project, create a public GitHub repo for new projects so that we can all contribute. There already is a GitHub repo, but the thing is that, so if you go to my GitHub, you'll see that a lot of people contribute on these repositories. But the thing is that I can't like basically merge them with my main project, is because a lot of people, because these are tutorials, and if there is changes in code, then people will get confused, like what are these new changes in the code, right? So I can't really add like new changes that other people make. That's one problem. So that's why like there's no point. I mean, and anyways, like every project, if you go to github.com, so all of my code is on github.com/athrayabhat. So if you go over here, you'll be able to see even like the code for this project that I'm doing. Bro, can we use SQLite database for Django website like this during deployment? Yeah, man, like there's not a lot of, so whenever you need like quick stuff to be done. So for example, if like some chat stuff is going on, or like it's a very big website, right? Then you have to use SQLite, SQL or PostgreSQL, like that, because it needs to be very, very fast. First of all, like a lot of database stuff is happening behind the scenes. But like simple websites where it's like basic database and it's not going to happen a lot, these database calls, then basically you can use them very easy, like SQLite. There won't be any worries. So yeah, you can go to repositories and you can search for the startup, Django startup, and this is the project that we are working on right now. So yeah, and another change I have made is that I've added this button, because it was getting a little bit clunky over here if I added the add comment over here. And if you click on this button, a Moodle will open up, what's on your mind, and you can write a comment over here, click on post. We'll implement that right now, but we haven't implemented that yet. So inside our lessons underscore details, I have added, so if you scroll down, so I've added this modal over here, right? This modal, and I've also added a button. So this is a trigger button. When we click on this trigger button, this modal opens up, right? And it has a modal body where we have our form that we created in the last video. And then we have our simple submit button of post, right? And it is all being enclosed inside these form tags, right? And it also has the CSRF token, I don't think, which I added in the last video. So yeah, so we are currently at this situation over here right now. And I've also added this ID equals to comment and name equals to comment so that we can grab this comment inside our views.py file. Hey man, I know you're working hard. I know it sucks when there are so less people, great efforts, but give it some time Monday. Yeah man, thank you Sujit, thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind, dude, to be honest. Like not a lot of people are going to be like interested in this, what I'm doing, because this is like and these streams are very, very long. Normally, like when people watch stuff like this, it's just for like main learning. And like basically if you want to create videos or live stream that goes like really like good, then you might have to like create like something a little bit more interesting. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the videos titles so that it is more searchable friendly, so that at least people who watch it afterwards can watch it. Yeah, and the main amount of viewers are gonna come through that. So yeah, that's the aim. So yeah, we have our, so first of all, what we are going to do is we need to transfer this comment section, whatever the user enters over here inside ask a question and clicks on post, we need to transfer it to our views.py file. So let's open that baby up, our views.py file. Yeah, and this page is being rendered in lessons underscore detailed. So we need to add a comment section over here. So we are going to first check whether the request is post or not. So let's copy this one and we can just paste it over here. So if the request is equals to post, then we can just get the comment over here, comment. And how do you get that? Let's see. You basically use this request.post.get. So I'm gonna copy and paste this over here, and we are gonna go and see what the name is. So the name is comment, right? So we are gonna copy that and paste it inside our views file over here, right? So this is the comment. Now we should have the comment inside our post request. So now we need to save this comment inside our database, right? And in the last video we created a model. So if you go to models.py file, we have this comment that we created in the last video. We have the user that gave the comment, we have the lesson on which the comment was given, and the content of the comment and the timestamp at which the comment happened, right? So these are the couple of things. So yeah, inside our views.py file we need to save them. So if you guys remember at the starting, this is how you save a model, right? So we are gonna basically write all of this over here also. So I'm just gonna write comment underscore info and equals to comment model, right? And you obviously need to import this model from the top. So we have already done the asterisk, so everything is already imported, so perfect. And then inside this we need to provide it the values that it requires inside model. So the first value is user underscore given. So I'm just gonna copy that and paste it inside our views.py file. And to get the user who is currently using our website, we can just write request.user, right? And then the second thing that we need is a lesson that we are currently working on, and this is already there with us. So over here we are like actually getting from our database the lesson that we are currently like viewing. So lesson equals to lesson, and this lesson is like models one, and this lessons is basically this one. So yeah, lesson equals to lesson, right? And then the third thing is our content. So content we just got from our database. Perfect. Content equals to our where is our comment? Yeah, our comment. Yeah. And the last thing is our timestamp, which we don't have to worry about because we have added auto now at true. So whenever this model is created, it's automatically going to save the time and date at which this comment was given. So that is not a problem. So yeah, inside of views.py file we don't have to save that, and then we just write comment comment info dot save, and this will save it inside our database. No worries. Yeah, it takes time. All the best. Thank you Sujit. Siva Verma, welcome. And that's why you're proud to be we're proud to be built with Pythoner. Man, that's interesting name, Dhruv. Thank you so much. Did this webcam hang? Alright guys, I think this should be fixed now. Oh man, that was trouble, but hopefully it should be fixed by now. It's, streaming is hard, guys. Streaming is hard. Anyways, guys, yeah, it started to work. Probably my webcam like shook a little bit, so that's why it just gave up. But thankfully it's working now. So yeah, we basically thank you for hanging out, guys. By the way, coding brother, welcome. Yeah, so we'll get started again. So yeah, we basically saved the comment over here, and let's actually see whether it's working or not. Right, so we are saving the comment over here. Then yeah, let's just go with this, and inside a database we should see a comment. So let's see whether our server is running or not. Yeah, it's running. Perfect. So now we can go inside our comment section, and currently there is only one comment, so let's try and add more comments. So let me just actually reload this and go to ask a question, and just write how to stream properly and click on post, and it should add a new comment over here if everything went well. How to stream properly, perfect. And it has like the name of the lesson on which we commented, so adding an image, and it also has the user, that is me, because I'm currently logged in as Atre, and the content is how to stream properly. So how to please create a Discord server now. I'll create it when we reach 30,000 subscribers, man. Rohit, that's the plan. But it should be like very soon, so you guys won't have to wait very long. Yeah, so what we are gonna do is I'm gonna have like a chill stream very soon, like maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, where we like play chess, right? Where we play chess or some other game, and we are also gonna create the Discord server like live on stream. So that's gonna be fun. Are you guys like, do anyone like here plays chess or any other game? Labib, nice hairstyle. Thank you, man. Thank you. Like this is my hairstyle. What I want with my hairstyle is that when I wake up, right, I can just do this, right? And that's my hairstyle. I don't have to do anything else. That's basically my hairstyle, so that I don't have to comb my hair. Yeah. So yeah, this comment section is working, but now we need to display the comments, right? Yeah, it will be fun. Gokul, hey man. I'm a checks expert. Oh, we'll see, Quora 45. We'll see. So yeah, we are saving the comment. Now we need to display the comments. So what we are gonna do is, first of all, we need to get the comments from our database. So I'm just gonna write comment over here. Comments equals to comment, use a comment model, and then objects.get objects.filter, and we want to get the comments of our current lesson. So we are gonna write lesson equals to lesson, because this is our current lesson. Yeah. So yeah, what we are gonna do now is that all the comments should be inside this comments. So we need to then send it to our context. So we are gonna copy this, and we're not gonna copy this. We are just gonna write comments. This is the key, and then the value is going to be the comments again. Put a comma. Yeah, so this is looking pretty good. And then it's going to just render the page. So now we can go inside our lesson underscore details, and let's actually just so this is our modal, right? This is our modal. So where is this ending? This modal is ending over here. Our form, let's see, wherever our form is ending. Okay, our form is ending over here, so we can just add something new over here, I guess. So we can just write for right now we are just going to write comments, right? And let's actually first write if there are any comments on this page. If comments, which basically will check whether this variable exists or not, right? And then we are just going to write end if. So if there are any comments, we are first going to loop through all the comments. So I'm just going to write a for loop over here, for comment and comments. So this will basically a list that will contain all the comments, and we're going to close this loop, and we're going to write end for. Yeah, and then we are gonna cut this from here, and we're gonna write comment dot content, because we want what is inside our thing. And then we are also gonna write the author of this comment. So we can just write comment dot can we just do user underscore given dot username. Perfect. So now let's reload this, and let me add a break line tag over here, so it looks at least a little bit half decent. So yeah, let's reload this. Let's not reload this. Let's press enter, and this should give us a new comment. So the new comment has been given by Atre, and it's how to stream properly. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is let's ask another question over here. Should I create Discord? Click on post, and you can see that a new comment has been added, and the author is already here. All right, so let's also add a break over here. I mean, this is just for like looking purposes. So now let's go and give a comments on some other one. So installation, I think, already has a comment. Yeah, I used this video is awesome. You can see this, there is another comment over here, like video awesome. This is this comment. So let's go back and go to adding an image and see if the comment still pops up. Atra, should I create Discord? Perfect. Yes, you should create Discord. I will. Hey creation, welcome back. Looks like a lot has been done. I was gone for 2 days. Yeah man, we created the payment system yesterday, and it's 50% done. We have to do still 50% of the work, make sure everything is secure and everything is handled properly. So yeah, can we do Django as a final year project? I think so. I think it's a very good project to do actually, and a lot of especially in colleges, a lot of like teachers are very impressed with what you did. They're like, oh my god, he's just created like this big thing, right? But it will take you some time. As exam, so no worries man, no worries. Hello sir, I'm back. MSC Clutch. Oh, the whole gang is back again. Welcome. You can use media object bootstrap. I'm just gonna check media object bootstrap, but yeah, I think it should be like a simple card. I don't think it's gonna be much of a problem, but I'm gonna look into like what is media object bootstrap, right? I think media object bootstrap is basically is gonna show like a profile image, and then it's gonna have some text and stuff like that, right? I mean, we don't have an image, so yeah. Does it also show this border with it? Oh, there is also nesting, which is pretty chill. I mean, nesting I don't want, I guess. All right. So now we have this. So what we're gonna do is let's actually make it look good. So let's I think we'll just go with simple cards, right? Unless like so offline I'll actually see like what is the best UI that I can use for this, what kind of component I can use that is best for this. But for right now I guess I'm just gonna use like a simple card. So let's go down. Let's actually go with a very simple one. Let's just go with this one. So let me just copy this card over here, and we are gonna paste this below our forms, format everything properly, and instead of the featured, I'm gonna put in the name of the user who has given this comment, right? And then I don't need this title, I don't need this button. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this content from here, I'm gonna paste it inside our text body, simple stuff. And yeah, and I'm gonna just copy and cut this card, and we are gonna paste it inside our for loop and if condition. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Let's go back, let's reload this baby up. How to stream properly. I think it's looking decent. What we also need is a like a reply button, right? And it also has some margin at the top. So we are gonna add maybe a yeah, let's add a margin over here itself, my dash maybe 1. It's too less, maybe 5. 5 is I think too much. 4. 4 is actually looking decent. So yeah, so the comments usually are going to be a little bit longer, I guess, but for right now it's fine. And then we also need to add a reply button somewhere, right? So the reply button can be at the bottom, or it can be like on the top right over here. So I think I'm gonna put this on top right, like the reply button. Yeah, so we're gonna put it on top right, and let's actually have a look. Oh, a lot is happening in chat. Django project ideas for final year. To be honest, like do whatever you want. Like for example, if you want to build a website that helps with the people, I think those projects are the best. Like the projects that actually gonna help people. So you can build like a website for NGO and stuff like that. How to store images files in databases. So basically you don't store image files in databases, you store the link of where they are stored. So usually these images and files are stored on like a Amazon S3 buckets or something like that, but you can also store it inside Django, the images, but you don't store the actual image inside a database. You basically store where it is, the link of the image. How to make a project report for Django, please tell. Project report for Django, I have never created a report, to be honest, so I can't really help you with that. For image, add a profile image icon, maybe later, man. Like do that, all that stuff is like extra stuff, so we are not gonna focus on that. We just want to get the website done first, and then we are gonna focus on that extra stuff, because people are coming here. It's not like a social network, right? It's more of like a teaching platform, so you don't really need an image profile icon. But maybe later, like we can like create a community version, like not Discord but community on this itself, so on the website itself. So maybe then we'll need profile icons, but then like the only like useful, like only when we get specific amount of users, only then like making community makes sense, right? So we'll create that when we actually get some users on this website. Do you require any license for selling an online course through our website? No, you don't really require a license, but you should have like a PAN card and like pay taxes properly and all that stuff. But PayPal takes care of a lot of it, but obviously you have to pay taxes on your own. Creation the world. Yeah. All right, perfect. Did you fix the footer? No, man. I like it's still in my to-do list, but I think it's very easy. Probably I'll just sit down at like tomorrow or something and I'll fix it. Is your name? I mean, my name is Atre. Yeah. What will be the time of chill stream? I think it's gonna be in sometime during the day, not during the night time, because the night time is like coding time. So maybe it's gonna be during the day something. But I'll post it on the community tab on YouTube whenever the chill stream is there. So yeah, let's so yeah, I use this video is awesome. So we need to add a reply button somewhere, right? So let me actually just see how like how where should I put the reply button. Let me just research a little bit. Let's see. All right. All right, so what we can do is, I guess, we can add maybe the reply functionality just below this or something. So I have removed the text area that I had, sadly, or I haven't. It should be inside my modal, right? The text area thing. Yeah, so maybe we can make, I'm gonna just give this UI a shot, guys. If it doesn't look good, we'll change it. But I'm just gonna give this UI a shot. Sawmill, welcome, welcome. Like time, I think somewhere around 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock something. I'm watching live streaming on 3% of battery. That's a big rip. Alright guys, so what I'm thinking of doing is that inside this comments, right, inside this content, maybe we should add not our this. I want to add this text area over here so that people can reply to this comment, right? And we probably need to create sub comments. So this comment will have an ID and all the replies to this comment will be associated with the main comment. Like all the replies to all of like this comment will be called like sub comments, right? Or we can just call it replies, and they will be like foreign key, they will be associated with a foreign key to the main comment, but we'll do that like in just a sec. Let me just add this text area, decrease the size to 3, and we are gonna call it replies, reply, and also ID is gonna be reply. Yeah, and let's see how this looks. And I also want to add a button, so I'm just gonna yoink this button from here, and inside our bootstrap actually there was a button, so I'm just gonna copy this one and paste it over here. Right, card text. Okay, so let's see how this looks and if it is feasible. So let's reload this. This video is awesome. Okay, and we can change this to like reply, and maybe we can also add like some kind of a icon over here in reply. Let's reload this, maybe add like a little bit of margin, my-1, and maybe make it float right. This is just UI stuff. I don't want to do this on the stream, but whatever, this video is awesome. And maybe we can put a placeholder inside this text area. How do we place a placeholder? So let me just Google that. Placeholder text area. Yeah, let's see what is this attribute, because I don't remember. Make another modal for reply and map it with comments. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that, but I don't want to put a modal. Like I can create a modal, I guess, but let's see how this looks. That was my idea. MSC Clutch, that we'll create a modal for it also. But let's see. But I think on replies, let's see how this looks, and then we'll see whether we do this or we do something else. So we can actually write over here, write your reply. I think I'm gonna go with modal though, because that looks a little bit better. But let's research and see how it looks. Write your reply. Nah, I think it's getting a little bit confusing because it's inside this comment thing itself. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna go with this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this text area. And maybe we can keep the button. Let's see how this button looks without anything. Reply. Maybe we can just add this reply button at the top right. Yeah, I guess we can add it at the top right somewhere. Card header. Yeah, but how do I add two things inside the header of the thing? Let's see if we can figure something on Bootstrap. So what we use nav tabs? Really, nav tabs? I don't think that's gonna help, but let's actually research. Nav tabs, Bootstrap 4. I don't think that's gonna help, but let's see what it is. Yeah, I don't think nav tabs are the thing, man. Horizontal alignment. Yeah, man, I don't think that's the thing. I mean, yeah, you can do this and go to different links, I guess, but I don't think that's the thing, because like in replies, it doesn't make sense at all to use this. Is this your full stack project? Is this your first? No, man, it's not my first full stack project. Bro, what's your PC spec? Is very normal, man, nothing crazy. You don't look the right page. I mean, this is the nav tab page, man. What else do you want me to look at? Anyway, okay, so we'll get back to it. So what we are gonna do is, let's actually leave it over here for right now, I guess, and I'll figure out the right way to place it, because we are just wasting time on placement. And I don't want this stream to be about the placement of this button. So I guess I can just remove this float right for right now. And what we're gonna do is, whenever this button is clicked, then I want to open up another module, right? So we can just copy. Do we need to create another form for it? Or can we handle this in lesson underscore details itself? Form. Guys, I'm thinking a little bit, so if I go silent, I apologize, but like thinking takes a little bit of like it's very difficult to concentrate on everything, so I want to like think and so I think the first thing we need to do, bro, I'm new here, please explain what's going on. Sakar, welcome. So basically what we are trying to do is, we are creating the build with Python website, and we are trying to create the comment section or the discussion section of the lecture page. So yeah, that's what we are trying to do, and we have completed a lot of stuff, but today we are working on the comment section. So yeah, what is going on? MSA clutch also include date in comments. Oh yeah, forgot about that. So inside our where do we include our time? Actually, just hold on a sec, guys. I think I have like somewhere the code. So let me actually do it off the stream of how to add it in the header page. Let's see. Go to my unopinion code, and actually I think I've already have it open. Feedback show, and if I can find it, that will be perfection. Panel. I mean, at that time when I learned Django, it used to have this like class equals to panel heading, and I guess we can just add stuff inside over here like span and stuff like that. So I guess I can give that a shot. Let's try and add something inside our wait, I'm totally confused. Where am I? Yeah, over here inside a card header. Let's try adding like something else also. So what we're gonna do is, let's just add a span over here. I mean, this is just like an empty element, right? And then I'm gonna add another span and post it over here, and this will have a class of float. We don't need float left over here. I don't think this needs a class, but what we're gonna do is, over here we are gonna write comment dot timestamp, because we already added that in the last video. So let's see how that looks. So let me reload this, and October 5, it's too much, like too highlighted. I think we don't need this card header. Can we just add it? No, we do need a card header. I'll have to figure out how to add like this nicely. Let me see. So this will always be like in like, oh, this is H5. So I guess we can just change it to like normal ones. We can change this to like, what's a normal tag? Not H5 tag. Can we just change this to P? Let's see. Yeah, we can, I guess. So we'll have to obviously add some kind of stuff over here. So we can make this one a little bit bold, right? I think B tag is for bold, right? And then what we can also do is something known as, I think it was humanize. Let me just actually search for it, humanize, because this date time doesn't look good. Humanize Django. Yeah, I think there was something known as humanize. And let's see what it is. What we need is this natural day. Yeah. How do we add this inside our code? Let's see. Django.contrib.humanize. To activate these filters, add this installed in your installed app. So let's go and add this inside our settings. And where is our installed apps? So we'll also add this one. Put a single quote. Add this. Put a comma. All right. And then once you use load humanize in a template. And you can access the following filters. Easy stuff. So we can go over here at the top of our lessons underscore detail page, and we can load this humanize, and then we can just go to the bottom. And what is this tag? Natural day. So let me just copy this and not this. Let's go over here. Go to the bottom where we have given our timestamp, put this over here and put natural day, and this should work. Let's see how it looks now. Go to our comment section. Yesterday, okay, this is working decent, I guess, yesterday, but obviously we'll have to make it a little bit better. So for example, if it's given like 5 days ago, it will show like 5 days ago and like stuff like that. So we also need to add another span, I guess, inside our header. So we can cut this from here, our cart text, and we can paste this over here, and we can do float dash right. Guys, I'll be changing where these buttons are and how these things look off the stream. I don't want to do it on the stream, otherwise it's just gonna take too much time, right? And it's like the design part, but tomorrow I'll tell you like how to do it, like if you guys want to do it yourself. And my pie charm is hanging. Perfect. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Sir, can you explain the use of span? Use this time since. Okay, let's use time since. Maybe it's a little bit better. Oh, my pie charm is gone. Sorry guys. So we'll have to see if our PyCharm comes back. I'll have to restart my PyCharm. I was wrong. The desktop background says I'm root. Yeah, it does say that. It's a pretty good desktop background, right? Let me actually show it to you guys, the desktop background, if I can. Yeah, this is my desktop background. I think it's pretty sick. It's so minimalistic and so nice. I like it. Alright guys, I think I'll have to restart my PyCharm, so you guys will have to wait for a sec. And hopefully this doesn't disturb the whole stream. Just close it. Just Windows problems. God use Visual Studio Code. It doesn't usually happen. I have no idea why it happened. Let's see. I haven't closed my PyCharm in so long. I don't even remember which is the community version and which is the professional version. I hope this is the professional version, otherwise I'll have to close it and open it again. Yeah dude, I think it would be better if you use Visual Studio Code. I mean, everybody has his own preferences. I mean, what do you guys use? Do you guys use Visual Studio Code? Let me actually keep something on the screen in the meanwhile. Do you guys, so because we are just kind of like winging it, do you guys like, let's play a game of chess, you know, while this is opening? I don't mind. So if you guys want to challenge me on leechess.org, if you anybody like plays chess over here, if somebody wants to like challenge me, so you can challenge me by going to like @Atreya and just click on like somewhere over here there will be a challenge button, right? Where is this challenge button? Like somewhere over here there will be a challenge button and you can challenge me, right? Oh, so you guys all use Visual Studio Code. Nice. Oh man, this is gonna take a lot of time to open up. All right, let's wait for it. All right, if nobody sends me a challenge, I'm just gonna play like a public match, like a quick one. I play on chess.com. You can send me a one on chess.com. That's also fine if you want to. I mean, I guess I'm just gonna play a quick game while this is opening up, whatever. Let's play a bullet game, right? Let's play a quick game. Like new people who are coming to the stream will be like, "What the fuck is he doing?" I thought he will play. He will go on. Let's play some London system. Man, I haven't played in so long. What is happening? Oh shit! What is this opening? Let's do this. Oh man. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. You're not afraid. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. And then we are gonna castle. That's a good move. Let's go back. Yeah, like this is like fast chess. This is just 1 minute chess, right? So I have to play really fast. Oh shit. We are fucked. Okay, let's do this. No! He can just come over here. Let's go over here. And now let's go here. Now we are threatening a fork. He didn't see it. Let's go. I think he'll take this rook. Yeah, but I guess I can take this. And he'll take this. And I can just come back. And time to like move very fast. No, he got my queen. Okay, time to flag him. Move. Oh man, damn it. I don't know, like play with me. Alright guys, let's not get too distracted. Or it's still opening up. Okay, it's opening up. PyCharm is heavy? Yeah man, PyCharm is pretty heavy. Takes some time to open. I'm going through some of your older tutorials. I wanted to let you know I like your teaching style a lot. How many of these Django videos you think there will be? Joe, welcome first of all, and thank you for like watching my tutorials. And yeah, so I don't know man, so currently we're working on the comment system. I think it's gonna take at least 2 more weeks to wrap it all up. So I think it's gonna be worth like maybe like 10 videos, 10 or 10 live streams more to get it done really completely. Play with me. Let's actually focus on what we are doing. It's still running, the processes are running, so that kind of sucks, but yeah, let's go to manage.py file, run this, and let's run our server, see what's up. Yeah, and maybe you know what we should do, like every day we should play, like at the end of the stream we should play like a chess game or some other game like on the stream. And so like after every day of streaming we should probably do that. That will be fun. What do you guys think? Let's do run server. I mean, it's still running, like it's still going on in the background, so I don't know if it will work, but let's. Oh man, it's lagging. Is it still lagging, guys? Yeah, I think it's still lagging a little bit. I don't know why. I think it's just like an internet problem. Hopefully it should get fixed by itself in a little bit. Yeah, I know it's lagging. Even like YouTube is telling me that it's a little bit laggy. But let's go and see if it's working over here. Just created a profile on leeches. Perfect. So like after the stream, I'll play a couple of games with you guys. Okay, that will be fun. So yeah, this is let's figure out what we are trying to do. So instead of natural day, somebody was telling me to use what? Since. Man, I'll have to go up on comments. Time since. Okay, let's use time since instead of natural day. Messing it up. Let's copy and paste this. Time since. Let's see how that looks. Let's reload this. 23 hours 6 minutes. Why is it showing me 23 hours 6 minutes? I mean, that's just a weird way of. Oh yeah, I posted this comment. Yeah, it's 23 hours 6 minutes. Yeah, I guess it's fine. I'll see which one to use, but this also looks fine. No, actually, I think natural day looks a little bit better. So I'm gonna go with that one. Yeah. So yeah, we'll go and look at how to create a sub comment. I think a little bit. I think this lag should be fixed by now because YouTube is telling me that it's fixed. Coder 45 just gives attendance and leaves. No man, he's still here. Sing Pintu Kurma bhai, I'm Python se koi. Have you ever chapati with jaggery? Yeah man, a lot of times. It's super nice. Ankit Mishra, hey, hello man, hello. Alright guys, so we need to create a sub model. I mean, the stream is going to be lagging a little bit again guys. So hopefully that shouldn't have too much of a problem. So we are going to first create a like a model for our replies. So I'm just going to write reply over here, and then we are going to basically do the same thing, right? Reply. Can we just extend this comment class that we have over here? Just like we did with our user model, like over here. Can we also extend this? Yeah, let's actually do that. So I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste this over here, and I'm gonna write comment, and then I'm gonna write models 1-to-1 field, and over here I'm just gonna write comment, right? So we know on which comment the reply is being given. Right, and yeah, but do we need to MSC clutch? Do we need to add like some other like for comment we have this content line, right? Yeah, I think we'll have to create a new one for this. So we're gonna write reply underscore content equals to, and then we can just use the character field again. Character field. No, but I'm a little bit confused. So we have the lesson on which it was given. We have the timestamp on this comment, but we won't have the timestamp on the reply, right? So probably we'll have to like do all of this again. So let's actually do it. I'm pretty sure we'll have to do all of this again. Yeah, I think we'll have to create a foreign key, but we won't have to create for lesson, right? And we are gonna change this to reply underscore content, and user given we'll add also. We also add a timestamp. Yeah, and then we also need a foreign key. Comment on equals to, and then we are gonna just put a foreign key over here. Equals to, and let's just copy this, paste it over here, and instead of user we are just gonna write comment. Easy stuff. Let's copy this one. we are gonna, instead of this, we are gonna write reply content. Yep. All right. So on the replies, first of all, we have on which comment it has been commented on. We have the timestamp, we have the reply content, and by the user this reply has been given. All right, perfect. So let's go to manage.py file and make sure that we migrate it. And let's stop the server. Let's do make migrations. Let me just check if everything is all right. All right, perfect. Is the stream still lagging, guys? Is the stream still lagging? I don't know if it's still lagging or not. I'm guessing it's still lagging, but maybe it's just good enough to watch. Everything good? Perfect. Okay. So yeah, let's do make migrations. Alright, it created the model for us. Migrate. Okay, good to know that the stream is not lagging anymore. Like, I'm really worried about this like live stream thing. So difficult to like get everything correct. But you gotta give it a shot. This is why I didn't used to live stream. I used to get like so nervous to be on camera. I think there is delay in the stream. Yeah, there is a delay in stream. I don't know how to remove that delay, to be honest. So I need to like actually look into that too. I think there is a delay anyways because it takes some time for me to start streaming and then go to YouTube, and YouTube like takes that stream. So that delay has been not added, I think, automatically. So I think there is some delay to it. All right, now we can just run our server and enter, and this should have created a replies thing for us. So let's go back over here and press on enter and see if our reply section has been created. So it's still running. All right, why is it taking so much time today? Let's reload it now, and let's try and create a reply by ourselves first. Man, damn it, I need to like, I always forget to add it in admin.py file. All right, let's add it. And what is the name of a model? Reply. Add it over here. Boom. Reload it. Boom. Oh man, it's gonna restart it again. All right, let's reload it. Now we should have a reply one over here, replies, and then let's try and add a reply manually. So we are gonna maybe Ashish, reply content, what is going on, and it's been commented on how to stream properly. Click on save. Alright, so reply has been added. Perfect. So now we just need to figure out, so we can just close, let's close extra stuff. So our models is working, and I think we need more models for reference later. We have a course underscore details. We don't need this. We don't need this admin.py file. We don't need this planning.md. So yeah, where's this reply section? So we haven't created the model for our replies currently. Yeah. So we need to do that. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm just gonna copy all of this stuff. Can we just reuse this form somehow? I'm thinking. Or do we need to create another form for it? Question, model. I'm literally going to wait till the end of the stream for the games. Yeah, let's do that, man. Let's do it. Social Blade says only 200 subs. Yeah, man, it's only 200 subs. After the start of create, yeah, custom admin panel. I don't know if we need that. Yeah, so let's actually create another one. So we are just gonna copy this form Yeah, and we're gonna paste it inside our card body, I guess. Reply. So when we click on this reply button, our modal should open up. So we can actually do it separately also, right? Because this modal is hardly going to show up. But instead of this button, so we can actually cut this button out. Yeah, and we can paste it over here, this button. And we are gonna, instead of ask a question, we're just gonna write reply, format it. Yeah, and we have to change the name of a model. So we are gonna, instead of example model, we are gonna write reply model over here. Yeah, and then we are just gonna copy this reply model. So this data target, so whenever we click on this button, our model will open up. So we need to change the ID of this model, right? And let me actually change everything. So instead of example, we're gonna reply. Do we have an ID over here also? So let's change that. Yeah, and everything else is looking good. No worries, no problems. Instead of the comment ID, I'm gonna change this to reply, and the name should be also reply. Let's format everything properly. All right, guys, it's looking good. So we have our current lesson ID. So we also need to send. So what we can do is we can create a hidden input. Text area, we can create an input field. Let's see how to create a hidden input field. Hidden input field, input type equals to hidden. Okay, type equals to hidden, and we are going to give it a name of let's say our we are just gonna call it comment underscore ID, and we are gonna give it a value of equals to our oh, we are not looping through the comments over here, so it's not gonna give us the comment ID over here for comment in comments. So actually what is this endif? Yeah, we need to cut this out, and we need to comments. Where is this div tag ending? Here. So we need to add it over here for right. And now we can use our comment ID in this hidden element, comment dot ID. Yep. All right. So now this form has been created. Looks good. Our footer is there. Our ID is there. All right. So now we can go to our views.py file. Don't you still know what white hat junior is? If you do, then I mean, dude, your comment is all over the place, bro. I have no idea what you're writing. In every dude, so the spammy comments thing creation is that like it's happening with every streamer. It's like I even the people I watch, right, when they stream and I see the video, like these similar comments are like there in the comments. Like I don't know why is this happening. Somebody should just research like why, and there's no point, right, in posting these comments, like all these spammy comments. Like there's no point in posting it. They are not getting any benefit from it. Their YouTube channels are not getting any benefit from it. These are like random, like just spammy things, but I don't know why like people are doing it. And yeah, what we also want is, how do we know that a request, right, do we also have the name for a request? So basically there can be two kinds of requests, right? One can be a request where we are getting the comment, right, and another kind of request can be when we put like some kind of a name in our so if request.method equals to post, and I want like a name over here, right? How do we do that? Let's actually look inside my views.py file and see if there is a way to actually check it. Okay, so there is the name pkid request.post. No, that's not. If request.post form type equals to, okay, so we have to declare a form dash type over here. Okay, so inside our lessons underscore details, what we are gonna do is we are gonna give a form dash type to both of them. This one is form. Let's see form type. What is form type? Yeah, man. The I don't know why these comments are happening. Form type informs HTML. I mean, it's not there, I guess, but we can add it manually, I guess. The values over here for form type equals to space. I mean, there's nothing like form type is not allowed here. All right, and we can over here we can just write comment post, and then we can copy this, go to our other form, and over here we can write reply post, and we can go back and we can just copy this one. I mean, I'm just kind of like following my instincts. What I'm doing might be totally wrong, guys, so let's just first see whether it's working or not. So whether in the request.post if the form type is equals to inside our lessons underscore details, if it's equals to comment underscore post, then do this, the commenting that we are doing. When do you usually end the stream? I end it at around 1:30. 1:30 into the stream, 1 hour 30 minutes. So let's copy this and let's do it this time for reply post. Yeah, and for right now what we are gonna do is we are gonna print it on the screen, reply working, and in this one we are gonna do comment working, so that we actually know whether these are working or not. Comment working. All right, let's save it. Let's go to our manage.py file. You use name instead of form type. Oh yeah, actually that whoa. Yeah, actually I think I have to use name over here. Name equals to post underscore comment, and then let's copy this and do it over here also. I think this should work. Yeah, then I don't think we need this, right? And instead of this, we can just write comment underscore post, and let's just copy this, paste it here, and this time we do reply underscore post. Request.post.get. I think this should work if I'm not wrong, but let's see. The server has restarted or not. Let's just check once. Alright, it's still reloading, guys, so we'll wait for it to reload and then see whether it will work or not. Alright, let's reload this. Multi-value post underscore comment error. I mean, it should be the same name of form tag. What does that do? So basically we want to differentiate between the form of reply, because there are two request.post that we want to like get from that, right? So we need to check which request.post we are working with. Yeah, it's working. I don't think it's working, man. It's giving us an error. Comment underscore post. Request.post. thought this will work. Form time, next video. Let's actually look at what we are doing over here in the form. Action method equals to post input form type. Oh, so basically I add like another input hidden element. Okay, so we can remove this from here, and what we are gonna do is we also want to remove this from here. Alright, so I'm taking ideas from my old R3, right? So I'm gonna add over here this line, another input hidden element. Print request.post.get name. I mean, it's I guess it's fine. So over here we can just write comment dash post. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing for our reply one. Where is our reply form? Here's our reply form. Alright, let's go to our, where did we add in the input? Yeah, let's add it over here also, and instead of comment dash post we are going to add reply dash post, and inside our views.py file we'll do this thing that I did previously, and this should work. I'm like 100% sure it will work. I guess 100% is a very like a weird thing to say. So now let's actually try it out. Form type equals to comment. I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do it, by the way, guys. I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do it. You can also make another URL for it. Yeah, I guess, but that will take too much time. Let's copy this, paste it over here, put a colon, put reply post. Alright, so let's save that. Let's go to our manage.py file. It's reloading. I have never used React creation, so I don't really know. Alright. Totally, I'm not like a web development like expert or anything. What? That's why you should never say it's working. I don't know. No idea why it's not working. Alright, I think I know what to do, guys. I finally know what to do. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the same thing. Okay, we are going to use the same thing. I don't know why. I guess you learn and grow. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing, but what we are going to do is inside over here we are going to put another if condition, if, right, and then we are going to get this input hidden input element. So I'm not looking at the chat because I just want to focus on what I'm doing. So let me just complete this first, otherwise I'll get confused again. So we are going to write over here if request.post.get we are going to write form dash type, right, and we are going to write it if it equals to comment dash post. Then we basically do this stuff, right, and we are going to put a if else condition, else we don't need this, else basically to reply. Right, let's see if this is working. So now let's go back. Let's make sure that our server has restarted. It's still restarting. Don't you need to use Ajax when submitting replies? I think so. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to go to reply. Yeah, and we're going to just post something. Okay, So reply working, perfect. So now we'll go to comments and I can enter a comment, and this should say comment working, perfect. So comment and post are like both of them are working, so it's fine. So now we can actually differentiate which is a comment post and which is a reply post. So this is a reply post, and then we need to save the reply, right, just like we did with our comments. So basically we're gonna do the same thing, right? So let me just copy this from here, paste it over here, remove this comment working and reply working, and instead of this we are going to write reply and request.post.get.reply. So because inside our lessons underscore thing we should have named it as reply, so we're going to use that, and then we are going to write reply underscore info, and we're going to write comment. Instead of comment we are going to write reply. Inside our models.py the name is reply, so that's perfect. Reply. I'm going to be checking chat in a few seconds, guys, so just give me a little bit of time. I just want to complete it because it requires a lot of time to like. So inside our views.py file, user given is going to be the same, the lesson is going to be the same. We remove the lesson. Do we need the lesson ID over here? I don't think we need it. So we are going to remove that, right? And we have this new reply content, so let's copy that, and we are going to paste that over here, and we are going to copy this reply, paste it over here, and then we need we have timestamp is going to be added automatically, so we don't have to worry about that. The comment on we need, and we are going to copy this, paste it over here, comment on, and then because we have we need the current comment, right, on which it has been commented, so we also have to get the ID of the comment. So let's write comment underscore ID equals to, and this is inside our hidden input element, so let's do request.post.get, and inside our lessons underscore HTML we have this comment ID, so let's copy that, paste it over here, and this is our comment ID, and now we need to get our comment using our comment ID. So what we are going to do is we are going to write current underscore comment equals to, I hope it's not going over the head of a lot of people like I'm gonna maybe explain it a little bit later, like what we are doing, current underscore comment. So what we want is this, we have the ID but we don't have the current comment object, so we want that. So I'm just going to write comment dot objects dot get equals to then what then we need to do is content equals to comment, yeah, and then we need to do ID, I think it is ID, right, ID equals to comment ID, and we should get our current comment, and then we can just paste our current comment over here, and we'll know on which comment it has been commented on, and then we can just save this reply info over here, and that is pretty much it. Alright guys, so let's see whether our reply is working or not. So let's go back and let's make sure that our server has restarted. It's still restarting, so let's wait for it to restart. Alright, performing system checks, and let's go back and let's go to build with Python. Let's reload this, let's press enter. Alright, on reply, new reply over here, let's compose. Alright, so if you go to our replies, there should be a new reply over here. Did we not add something? Reply equals to request.post.get reply. Are we not getting this value? Let's actually print it out. Alright, fine, I'll check the comments. Let's see what's going on. Alright, I see 10 bots. What do you mean? Don't need to use Ajax when submitting replies. It will be fine. Not using Ajax, yeah, I think it will be fine. You can use such a pipeline on YouTube. It's a good channel for Django. It's not for you, bro. Moderators I mean, it's fine because these these guys are moderators because they like kind of be helpful in chat and like they interact with chat. That's why I mean they're just like posting stuff on chat, which is fine. So I won't consider this spamming. If they were like just posting random stuff, I'll probably say it's spamming. Yeah, they're probably more just like enjoying the stream, man, to be honest. Alright guys, so let's see what's happening over here. So we have post.get.reply. Let's print out the reply and see whether we are actually getting it or not, because currently it's not showing up over here. Is there a model called something else? It's called reply, right? Why is it okay, got it. Yeah, so let's actually try and post one again, reply, and just do random stuff. And let's see if something gets posted over here. So yeah, you can see that it's not actually coming up, it's just empty. So why is it empty? We'll have to figure it out. Print request.post.get reply. Post.get.reply. This is the name of the form that we are submitting. Looks good. Reply modal. Are we sure that the reply modal is opening up when we click on this reply button? What's on your mind? Let's actually change this so that we can be sure. Where is the content area? Modal header, let's say post or reply, so that we can be sure that the correct modal is opening. Click on reply, post reply. So reply is working. All right, so the name is reply. We have a text area, class of form control, ID is reply. So when we do else, request.post.get reply, this should actually give us the content of the reply, guys, right? Hidden welcome, man, welcome back. TS gave a reply. The first letter is capital in class. In models, the R is in capital, right? So yeah, I mean over here also, like when we are using this reply, the R is in capital. Reply content equals to reply. I mean this reply is also not getting just posted over here, so that's a problem. It's coming up as empty, right? I don't even know how to select this because nothing is showing up. I mean I'll have to debug this. I have no idea how to, like, what's happening. Sumant, hello, welcome. I don't know, let's just restart the server because everything looks good. It would be better if we, but because we use these files all the time, like it's better like to have them handy on the left hand side, Ankit. That's why I'm kind of leaving it open. Like the stream if you haven't, man, this is like a true moderator. He's becoming like a true moderator, man. Ayush. Alright, let's give it a shot again, guys. If you are not able to figure it out, whatever, I'll just figure it out tomorrow because we are anyways ending the end of the stream. I'll just figure it out at the end of the stream, like after I end the stream, like what's going wrong, because I think we have spent enough time over here. So let's see, finally, okay, we are not getting it, guys. So we'll figure this stuff out. Check changing text area to input field. I don't think that should be the problem, man. Like text area is a text area, right, which has like an ID and a reply, because it's working with the comments. So it also should work with the replies, but it's not working for some reason. So I'll have to figure it out, but we'll figure it out off stream. So now guys, check changing text area to input field. I mean, like input field is very small, so that's why I don't want to use input field. Yeah, I have no idea why this is not working. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something really stupid, but I'll figure it out off stream. So anyways guys, now let's play chess. So every day before ending the stream, we are gonna do something fun, right? So what we are gonna do is let's play some chess. So anybody wants to challenge me on leeches.org, name equals to reply in text area. I have done that, man. Name equals to reply. See, I have name equals to reply over here in text area. Alright man, so anybody wants to send me a challenge? Oh, somebody has already, oh, Coder Unlimited. Rated. Dude, you'd need to send me a 5-minute or a 3-minute challenge. It's a very big challenge. And he's also not on, he's online. But you have to play very quickly, man, because I don't have all day. So you'll have to play quickly. And anybody else wants to challenge me, because I think this is gonna, he hasn't put in time over here, so it's gonna take too much time, but it's a correspondence game. Form tag, I have added a form tag, haven't I? We have added a form tag over here, right? And have we ended the form tag? Yeah, we are ending the form tag over here, so that should be working fine. That shouldn't be a problem. Print the post data, that's what I did. It's just empty, so that means this itself is not working. Let's see if the comment ID is working. Print comment ID. Let's see, both of them are not working, or it's just a problem with our reply thing. Double check form URL. I mean, form URL is gonna be the same. I don't think that's the problem. Yeah, it's just lessons_details. Alright. Oh man, I closed the website. Okay, whatever. I'll just open it up again. See the action of form? Yeah, the action is lesson_details, man. It's kind of the same. Let's click on reply, post, and let's see. So we are getting the post ID, but we are not getting the replies, right? Where is our lesson_details? I mean, if you guys can bug it out, like I'm pretty sure I'll be able to figure it out off stream. I'm just like, my mind is tired now, so I'm not able to figure it out what's going wrong. No, it doesn't really matter, Ashish, if it's a capital P or a small p. Yes, a capital P or a small p, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I use capital P everywhere anyways. I think so. Yeah, I use capital P everywhere. Admin. Replies. Yeah, all of them are coming empty because this reply area is not going through. Text area, ID equals reply. Does this need to be in double quotes? If this needs to be in double quotes, I don't know what I'm gonna do if this needs to be in double quotes. I'm gonna go crazy if this needs to be in double quotes. Alright, let's see. I'm pretty sure that was the problem. I hope that's not the problem. I really hope so that's not the problem. Let's put stuff in. Yeah, that's not the problem, thank God. Oh, wait a sec. Missing associated field, create a new label with a text area. What am I missing? Am I missing something? I mean, yeah, it's just a label thing. I don't think really we need that. Text area. rows, control. Can you please show me the modal? Oh, the modal. Okay, wait. So this is the modal. So basically we have a form tag, right? And it has an action. It has a method. Then we are starting a division tag. It has a CSRF token. Then this is the modal, right? And modal has a body which has a text area, and it has like an input area, hidden input area. Then we are closing this body. Then we have a footer which has this post button, right? Then we have the modal content, modal dialog. Yeah man, please zoom in. I don't know how to zoom in, guys. You need to watch it in HD, man. Like, to be honest, like, because there's so much code, if I start zooming in, we'll have to scroll down all the time. I mean, it's kind of the same that I did with our comment section, and that is working. So why is this not working? It's pretty much the same. Alright guys, don't worry about it. I'll figure it out off stream. Give the text area a value in the HTML is working. Ctrl ++. Okay guys, so what we are gonna do is I'm gonna figure it out off stream. Don't worry about it. Do you guys want to play chess, or should I just end the stream? Like, is anybody down? So I'm just gonna play one more a bullet game, right? And then we're gonna just end the stream. Hopefully we try and win this time. But like, my rating is so, I haven't played chess in such a long time. Let's do this. Over here. Oh, I just pooped really badly. Okay. He's just trying to exchange pieces. Let's come back. That was a bad move. Or was it? He is very, very good. This guy is cracked. Yeah, but I think he made a mistake. He's just trying to exchange pieces. Oh, yeah, let's just resign. I challenge you also. You're taking too much time to move, man. Let's see. Alright guys, I think when you're free, please check my official website. Only shifting to Django on 90% alphadocs.in. Alright man, I'll check it out. Don't worry, I'll check it out, guys. So currently we are just chilling and playing chess with the viewers of this live stream. So like, not coding is going on, nothing coding is going on. We are just kind of chilling, yeah, and just playing chess. Man, you need to resend me that challenge. I'm just gonna resign this one. You need to resend it to me and make it like short, man. This is too long. I don't have like the time and patience to play such a long game. So from next time, everybody be ready and we'll play like a nice game of chess. Whoever wants to play. So but for right now, I'm just gonna end the stream, okay, and I'm gonna figure out this reply part out. It shouldn't be that difficult. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. Thank you for sticking around. This stream had a lot of problems and a lot of messing up. So Benjamin, I'm just gonna end the stream, but what we are creating is the build with Python like website, right? So yeah, I'm basically creating stuff for that. We are integrating payments and everything. So for example, let's go to blog and unsubscribe. And so for example, if you go to pricing, you can pay with like PayPal and stuff. So we are creating all of that, right? How do I challenge someone with leeches? I don't know. You just write leeches.com/@/Athreya and you can subscribe. So yeah, you can just like, we have done like this payment stuff. So yeah, we are working on all of that stuff, and you can enroll and everything. So yeah, we are working on that. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for this stream. I'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow what we are gonna do is we are gonna fix this thing, and we are gonna like do a lot of like pricing stuff. So we are